Okay, so this is where it gets interesting. Now, it's one thing having him jump around like this on the same level, but that can get a little bit boring and predictable, right? So what we want to do is we want to go into motion and we want to add in the glide. If you remember glide in the first one, it's just a nice movement. So we're gonna put that there for a second, and we're going to duplicate that section, drag it in here. So we've got the same, pick random, minus 220 to minus 220 to X. And what we need to do is move this actually over to X. I put it in the wrong space. It should be there. And now we want to have Y. So when we look at the bottom here, we can see that we can go to about as low as 180 here, minus 180. So we're going to go for about just not exactly at minus 180, just a little bit above that, minus 155. So you should hover just around here. Because of his size, he'll probably touch the bottom of the thing. This is the big butterfly. And now we're going to connect these guys up together. And just to clarify, when the green flag is touched, you go to X, it picks a random minus 220 to minus 220 to 220. So minus 220 to minus 220 to plus 220 this side of X, and Y of 39. So it's always going to be around here. That's how we set it. But now that we've added in glide, as soon as he is around here somewhere, he's going to come down, and he's going to be somewhere down the bottom, because we've got Y of minus 55 between here and there. So it just makes it a little interesting. So let's see what happens. And there we do. Now, the only thing that I'd recommend we do here is, because that's really slow, is maybe we drop this to 1 second, see how that looks. And this is all testing. That's pretty fast. Let's try 2 seconds. That'll probably be really too fast. Maybe let's put it to about 1.5. And that's fast there. Okay, well let's try that for now. We can always change it later. So if you can do that in yours, add the start button. It will make sure this section is somewhere up here, and then the butterfly somewhere up here from left to right at around this level, and then he'll glide down to somewhere down here, and he will be between here and there somewhere. So isn't that exciting? Do that, and I'll see you when you've done that in the next video.